guys, welcome to today's vlog. My name is Yadav and we are on Delhi-Mumbai highway. So this is the all-new MG Hector facelift 2023 and the car is huge as you can see, and especially these grills which are large enough. Here's some of the unique things about this car. The typical key which you get, this is to unlock the vehicle, this is to lock, and this is for the tailgate. And the unique thing is that when you get closer to the car, it gets open automatically, so you don't have to actually take out the key out of your pocket and then switch it on or something. And these massive grills, just look at those grills. And at rear, nothing new, just these lights which they have added. They have connected these lights, which is the kind of design factor which all the car brands are following these days. And moving towards the other side, nothing as such, and there's a lot more changed on the interiors, and I'll show you. And when we move towards the car, it unlocks it. How cool is that? Now moving towards the interior, the seat height is quite good. You get the good presence of the road, and what's changed is this 14-inch display which is there. Then you have the engine start stop here, so it welcomes you. And then let me just switch off the AC. Okay, so this is the steering wheel. You get the good presence of the road around, no issues in that. You have this digital console meter. Earlier one used to have the analog one, and all these switches are nice quality, no issues with that. The soft touch plastic is there, and then there is this leather finish which is quite unique. Then you have a lot of piano finish and this metallic finish out here, which is good. And here we have the electronic parking brake, and as soon as you engage it or something, it reflects on the screen here. For example, now it's released, and when I activate it, it will reflect as it is engaged, and you can feel the same on the brakes as well. So that's nice. This is the massive 14-inch display out here. It is quite I would say mix of easy and difficult, because it's easier to dongle between laps, and it's quite easy to use and everything. But because there's no physical control for AC, and also you have to basically drive around, and then you have to do all these things, which is quite difficult. And moreover, when you're driving, imagine you're driving and then you have to look for the AC, and then you have to go to this corner for switching the AC on. So it's quite difficult, you see. And there's a lot of comfort on the seats on offer, so there's no problem as such, both in rear and in both in front and in rear. Let's move towards the rear. In the rear seat, and there's plenty amount of leg room, knee room out there. You have these vents out there, and then there is a USB type charger out here, and then some place to keep your stuff. And then there is this light which you have, and then this massive panoramic sunroof is there. And then you get this 3 headrests are there, which basically depicts that it can easily accommodate 2 to 3 people. 3 people won't be a problem at all, I think. And even if you're tall, then there's also no problem, because this is full of comfort, especially with the 5-seater. Moving towards the boot space, we have a lot of this is a one-touch button, so electric tailgate is there. 2 big bags and then small bags and everything, and still we have a lot of space out here. So space is not an issue out here. So that's how you can close the tailgate. So that is it, guys. If you like what we did today, please like our video, subscribe to Percy's Vlog. See you in the next one.